Hey folks, Brian here. I got another job request, once again from my father, and it was to actually create a rod with these dimensions. Really, it's just a rod that goes through this part here. So let's take a look at it in Onshape and see how I made it. Alright, we got a circle here at the bottom, and I just set it to the dimensions of what was requested and tweaked it after several prints. Then I created an extrusion axis. That was another sketch. The circle was the first sketch. And then I applied the extrude modifier to finish off this mystical, magical rod. And that's pretty much it. But amazingly, I screwed it up printing a ton. First, let's check out what happens if you just print it like this vertically without laying it down. I thought printing vertically would create a one smooth circular motion to create the stick, but instead it ended up being a chewed up lollipop stick. Printing one rod at a time on its side proved to be the best technique and minimized extruder movement. I tried to print out multiple rods at the same time, but something about the extruder moving from rod to rod just ended up creating what looked like chewed up celery instead. I kept trying to print out more at the same time, but it just got worse and worse, and I made some spaghetti here. In the end, I just went back to printing one at a time.
Oh, so this one, this is this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's the one you made.
Okay. All right. Okay, I got
Okay,
it.
you got it? And? Okay. What do I do with the motor? Okay. That's it.
Okay.
There it is.
Okay, it's working?
Yep, there it is.
All right, cool.
Thank you, huh?